our channel What's Up Med. Today we will discuss about how to approach the game changer FMGE Solutions book for the upcoming FMG exam. Before we dive into this aspect, we need to get familiar with the pattern of content given in the book. We will start with a particular subject like ophthalmology. So, I studied Optha mainly with this book, which helped me build my concepts. Before I read this book, Optha was a very difficult subject for me, but the correct way of learning through it made Optha very simplified for me. Now, let's have a look on my book, come short notes. Please don't mind my messy handwriting. I had already studied like running a marathon because of very less time I had, so I had to make it worth it. So as you can see, here I attempted all the highlighted 5 years past year questions which I cross-checked the answers, I referred to the explanations and analyzed the potential questions out of them. Here I would like to mention that explanations are more important than the question itself. The important points I picked up from the explanation and then I wrote it in the space given around the question so that it made me easy for understanding and revision in further revision sessions. So I can revise them along with the questions. It's important to concisely revise the topic you have studied. Now question is how to analyze the important points. For that you will have to solve as many questions as possible. The more times the topic is repeated, the more important it is. So that's all about how to read the FMG Solutions book thoroughly and productively. I will conclude this video without wasting much of your time. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, share it with everyone who need to watch this. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more such videos. Till then, study smart, stay disciplined, and you definitely can do it. All the best, guys. Bye-bye.